Hello, my name is Norma Acosta with Momis Designs, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to make two style earrings. These are nature rice culture freshwater pearls, and they come in this like a very deep green shiny color. So we're going to be doing one with the hooks and the other one with the clip. Okay, so I'm gonna have I'm gonna put links in the description box, either of the where to buy the earrings or way to buy the kits so that you make your own. So the kits come with two pins, two of the pearls, two of hooks, and two silicone backings, and the other one comes with two beads, two pins, two of the earrings, and two backings, and two rings that you will need with this one. And I'm going to make one of each so that you see how those are made. I'm going to bring them this way. I'm going to take this aside. And for that, you're going to need two pliers. You're going to need a nose pliers, and you're going to need a cutter. You can go and I'm going to put also in the description box a link on where to get a whole kit like this. So let's go ahead and do the first one. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to put your beads through the little holes, just like that. These are very super easy to make, and at the end I'm going to go ahead and be doing the breakdown in case you want to do it as a business. So here it is. This is like a 2.5 inch. And I'm also going to, if you want to buy them by wholesale, I'm also going to have them in the description box. So you're just going to go ahead and go like right here. You go down that way, and then you bring your nose pliers a little high, and then turn this around this way. And then I'm a left-hander. You might do it a little different than I do, but you're just gonna go ahead and grab your pliers and you're gonna go around 3 times. I think I struggle a little bit because I'm a left-handed, and I'm not holding on to anything for the sake of the video. But here is already done. Look at how pretty that looks. So all you're gonna do is you're just gonna straight your design, and you're gonna get your cutters and go ahead and cut the extra and go ahead and push the end. So with this one, the only thing that you're going to do is you're just going to go here. Always have the hook facing your way, and then you're going to open it up. Never this way, either up or down. You're going to bring your bead. You're going to bring your bead in there. You're going to close it, make sure that it's very secure, and that's your earring. Look at how easy it is to be made. If you want to make extra money with this, I mean, you can certainly do so. Look at how pretty that looks. Okay, so let me put this aside so that I can finish it later, and let's go ahead and do this one. This one is almost the same with just one different alteration. So again, you put your bead in there, and I'm going to go ahead and put both. And I'm going to put the other one over here with all the rest of the stuff for that one so I could finish it later. And you're going to do the same thing again. You're going to go ahead and grab it, go that way, move your pliers up, like right where you bend it, you go backwards. And you probably don't have to turn it, but being that I'm left-handed, I usually have to do that. So then you're going to go around 3 times. And if you make all of them like this, they're gonna end up being the same size. So that's why you follow the same steps. Okay, so here you go. You just make this straight and you cut. Right there. Push it in. And then for this one, I don't know if you know, but just in case you don't know, when you open any kind of ring, you're never gonna open it. You're never gonna open it coming out this way. You're always gonna go one going that way and one coming this way. Always. Okay? Because then it's hard to put them back properly when you don't. So you just go ahead and do your bead, and you do the top part and close it up. Look at how easy. How easy. How many can you make an hour? And just think about reselling them. These are great for fundraisers, for church fundraisers or any kind of fundraiser. Then you go ahead and put the back. Make sure you wait until the end of the video because I'm going to put the breakdown for you guys. So there's your earring. Whether you want to buy the earrings or you want to buy the kits to make your own, everything is going to be in the description box.